Welcome to Math channel. In this class I am explaining about the problem. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equals to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. What is the slope? How to find the slope? Slope is nothing but d over x. You know that. So derivative of y is nothing but slope. So simply given y equals to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x, this is y, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to 3 into 4x cube s minus 4 into 1, okay, 12x cube minus 4, but we want slope at x equal to 4, okay. So slope of the tangent at x equal to 4 is, that means dy by dx at x equal to 4, that means 12 into 4 cube minus 4, that means 12 into 64 minus 4, yes, that's equals to, what is this, 12 into 64 into 12, simply you can multiply in this way, yes or not. So 768 minus 4 is nothing but 764, that is the required answer, okay. Therefore slope of the tangent equals to 764, that is the answer. See the next problem. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta at theta equal to pi by 4. See here how to find this. First we want dy by dx, yes, dy by dx, that is the slope of the normal, okay. How to find that? First we can find, given x equal to a cos cube theta, that means dx by d theta equals to a into 3 cos square theta minus sin theta, yes, x to the power of n formula here, n x to the power of n minus 1, again differentiation of cos theta equal to minus theta, minus 3a sin theta cos square theta, that is number 1, okay. Next y equals to a sin cube theta, that is dy by d theta equals to a into 3 sin square theta cos theta, same 3 sin square theta cos theta, why, because 3 sin 3 minus 1, why, because 3 sin to the power of 3 minus 1 theta dy by dx of sin theta, that is this, okay. Now 3a sin square theta cos theta, that is number 2, okay. dy by dx, dy by dx equals to dy by d theta. Yes, we want dy by dx. So dy by d theta first divided by dx by d theta. Please observe here, dt theta cancel, remains dy by dx. That's equals to, what is dy by d theta? This one, 3a sin square theta cos theta divided by dx by d theta. This one, minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. 3a gets cancelled, square sin cancel, this one cancel, which remains sin by cos is nothing but minus tan theta remains. Minus tan theta, sin theta by cos theta minus tan theta minus tan theta. Okay, theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta equals to pi by 4, the slope of the tangent is dy by dx equals to minus tan theta. What is theta? Pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4. What is pi by 4? Is nothing but 45 degrees. Okay, that is minus 1. Therefore dy by dx equals to minus 1. This is slope of tangent, but normal, we want normal. Yes, slope of normal. Therefore slope of the normal equals to minus 1 by dy by dx. Minus 1 by minus 1, nothing but 1. That is the answer. Okay, in this you can find the slope of the normal. Okay guys, practice these problems. These are very important. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe Math Everyday channel, like and share it. Thank you.